Have you ever wondered why chiropractic is so effective? Something so fast can make such drastic improvements. First thing to understand is an organ called your central nervous system. This is the most important organ in your body, your brain, and your spinal cord. That is why it is encased in bone, like your skull and your spine. You see, your nervous system is responsible for communicating your muscles, your organs, your immune system. Everything communicates via the central nervous system. So if there is an interference or a distortion or a lack of a blockage on a nerve, it is going to affect where that nerve is communicating to. So you will start to have some type of a reaction. Your body's going to let you know there's some type of a disturbance. And that symptom is something like muscle spasm. Maybe it's numbness, tingling. Maybe it's electricity. Maybe it's injury and pain. You see, so a chiropractor, we focus on the spine so we can improve your nervous system and how it operates. This is going to make your body operate more optimally, reducing muscle spasm, getting rid of pain, getting rid of numbness, tingling, and electricity. So chiropractic is a holistic approach to health so your body can operate optimally.